Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of a series of episodes where I will cover the no code website card with which you can create one page websites, be it a landing page for a marketing campaign that you're running, or if you want to create a portfolio for yourself, or if you just want to create a website which is essentially going to showcase your work or your contact details, or you're um, building a product launch page of something that you've built, etc. are the use cases of essentially a single page website. Card is a tool that enables you to create single page, fully responsive websites without having to essentially know how to code. So, in this episode, we will explore the tool in general, and in the episodes to come, we will see how to create different types of websites. We'll go through examples of a portfolio and then a landing page for an app, and then we'll also look at a product launch page where you want to probably collect emails of your potential customers. And the first step is to obviously create an account. So I'll quickly go through login. I don't have a card account yet, but I've used card. So yeah, the pity is they don't have a social sign up, which is essentially the most common thing these days in any website that you sign up for. So let me quickly enter my details. Standard agree without reading the terms of use. It's important to read them. So I would hope you guys read it too. So once you sign up, you obviously will get a verification email. While you verify your email, the first step is to create a new site. So I'm clicking on new site. With a free model, obviously Card has a freemium model where there are parts of their service which require you to pay in case you want, like for example, if you want like harishkotra.com, which is a custom domain to be linked to what you build on Card, you'll have to pay Card for that linking to work, which is essentially how domains and hosting is linked when you get a custom website built without using a no-code tool, right? So once you click on new site, you are bombarded with different kinds of templates. There are pro templates and free templates. So pro templates are something that you also pay for if you want something like that. So for this example, I will quickly go and select the first template, which looks like a resume. So I'll say select. You can also click on demo to view the demo of the template before you start playing around with it. But if you click select, essentially it will start populating it for you. So if you look at this UI, it essentially has the first section, second section, and when you hover on them, you can. I'm assuming if you click, you can edit it. We'll go to it just in a bit. So yeah, this essentially has four sections, and all of them are pretty much clickable and editable. So I'll go with the first one. You click, oh, you can upload an image. You can also have alt text. Alt text is important to show what the image is. If I upload my photo, I would rather have my name as an alt text, which will show up in search engines, and in case your image doesn't load for any reason, the alt text will show up. And then there is, if you click on text, you have multiple options. One is, okay, it allows you to type in bold, essentially markdown. If you don't know what markdown is a text formatting where which is essentially used in sites like GitHub, where you write the README in Markdown format. Markdown is a simplified form of HTML. If you ask me, this is pretty much used in Slack. Even WhatsApp has a similar style for making the text bold and stuff like that. So if I quickly change this to my name and uh, say done, it should update. Yeah, yeah. Essentially, you can click on all the elements and add. So the UI is pretty straightforward. You have to click on this and just update the text that you want to add. In case you want to, let's say you want to add a new section here. you will probably click duplicate, and there is a copy of that just this element. But if I select this entire container, yeah, so this entire thing is called a container, and you have the choice of also changing the width and add space to this, which is great. If you want another column, you can add another column. Amazing. You can delete it. And also there is, oh, okay, there are options to increase the width of the container. And then, okay, if you know a bit of CSS and if you want to add some code style sheet, you can also use the ID and class elements however you like. But this is for the pro accounts where you pay for card. And once you're done editing all of this, I'll also quickly show you how to edit these links. So, okay, so yeah, you can add multiple links and click on these to essentially update the email. And once you are done, you essentially have three options. One is to preview the animations on this layout that are pre-built in the template, and then you can also see how it looks on mobile. And the last one is to save and publish. So if you click publish, it'll ask you for the basic SEO fields that are required, which is the title. Title is the text that shows up here, and description is that shows up on the search results, which are essential. And yeah, since essentially at the beginning you don't pay for a premium account, it'll publish to a subdomain on .card.co, and that's pretty much the UI of card.co. And yeah, if you see, there is also, before publishing, there is also facility for pro users to upload custom icons, which are the images that appear when somebody searches for your domain. So I click on you can click on save, and yeah, or you can start over again, update the background. You can add multiple pages by clicking here, or you can go to the dashboard. So that's how you essentially get started with the UI on card. And in the next video we'll look at creating a portfolio website, and in the following videos later, that after that we'll also look at creating other types of websites like a product launch page, or a landing page where you want to collect customer emails. Subscribe to the channel. If you like the content, do let me know your comments below. If you want me to build some specific sites using card, you can also comment them, and I'll make sure I incorporate them in my upcoming videos. Thank you for spending your time. See you in the next one.